Hello Libra, welcome to Brutally True Tarot and Merry Christmas. I hope this year brings a lot of joy, happiness, health and wealth for your family and friends. So here in this reading we are discussing about the current feelings of your partner, and let's check what are the messages for you from your partner or what they're feeling right now. I will be pulling out some cards from message cards. I would like to find out what your partner wants to tell to you. So let's check. Okay, the first card that we have here is of the Sun. Two of Swords. Okay, I have this card here. Four of Spheres in reverse. The Magician. Eight of Moon. The Completed World. And the Hanged Man. Okay, so Libra, we have the card of the Sun here. Looks like your partner is happy, your partner is satisfied, and this is because they feel completeness in this relationship. They feel that you make them complete. They feel that they are lucky to have you. They feel that this was meant to be, and you both are together because you are soulmate. Because with Two of Star, you have these deep feelings for each other, and your partner respects that. With the card of the Sun, they know that this is not something they will get from everyone and every time, but at this point they feel like they are lucky to have you. They have these feelings. Even if you are in separation, they do not consider it as a separation. And with Two of Stars, they have these life feelings, these memories. These feelings are so live that they cannot think that you are not there anymore for them. In case you have a breakup, or you are in no contact, or you're not talking to each other much, even in case of your distance relationship, this person is literally in it so much they literally cannot feel the distance right now, even if you're not there. With the card of the Sun, they are happy. However, with the card of the Magician, they sometimes struggle to understand your mood because they don't know why you could be busy sometimes. Probably they are asking for too much. With this Four of Spheres in reverse, they might be asking for too much from you, or they might feel that you are asking for too much from them, and they just cannot understand why don't you understand that they have some work pressure, or they have some other responsibilities to take. Not in an offending way, but this person just hopes that you get a little bit matured. The exact word will be maturity. They literally want you to get a little bit mature. However, they are really happy to have you around and they like your energy. And with this four of a sphere in reverse, they feel like you are asking for too much, or you might be feeling that they are asking for too much, or they are not doing enough for you. However, this is a general reading. This cannot resonate for all, and the energy could be reversed as well. And if you are interested in the yearly reading of 2021 or in the reading of previous week, I have provided a link below in the description box. So moving ahead, with 8 of Moon, your partner needs your help. They might be doing something and they might be feeling pressure of work, they might be feeling pressure of responsibility, or there is certainly something that you can help in. They could be doing something that you can help in because you already know how to deal with this situation. So they might be looking for your help. However, I don't think that they are asking for it, because they expect that you understand what they're going through. They don't want to ask for help because they don't want to bother you, and they don't want to show you that they cannot handle it on their own. So probably they are smiling on your face, but somewhere deep in their heart they expect that if you could ask for something, I mean, if you can ask them that whether they need help or not. So here is such kind of situation. With the card of the completed world, this person is literally happy to have you. I don't see anything wrong in this or negativity in this, because the sun, the completed world, so everything is fine. And with the card of the completed world, no matter what has happened, no matter how you behaved with each other, no matter how far you are living, with the card of the completed world, this person knows that you will be together in the future. They won't let you go. Even if they think that you need to get mature, they are not speaking up. They hope that you understand by yourself. They are not complaining about anything because they know you are a good person and they cannot do without you. With 3 of stars, it feels like that they might be a little bit confused about what to do in this situation. It's like you are telling them that be with me, and it's like that they are required to do something at another place. So this could be about staying together. This person might be living at a distance, and with this 3 of star, they literally don't know what to do right now, whether they should stay with you or they should complete their work, because responsibility is responsibility after all. So even if you want them here with yourself, with you, this person is there to be with you. They might even consider to leave the job at its place and be for you right now. So this person is literally trying to make everything work, and with the card of the Hangman, this person is wise enough. They know how to take the decisions. They know how to deal with the situation. They can make you happy and they can take their responsibility as well. They know that they have to seek a balance, and they are wise enough to do so. Let's check some messages for you, Libra, from your partner. Messages for Libra from their partner. You never let me feel lonely. Okay, so as I said, this person is not feeling lonely. They feel that they are with you, Libra. Okay, so no matter what has happened, no matter how far you might be living, you never let them feel lonely. Your feelings are always with them, and they feel that you are there. Your memories are engraved in their mind. You look deep into my eyes. Okay, so particularly this person misses the way you look at them. This person feels something when you look at them. I don't know whether they have told you or not, but they get these goosebumps when you look at them, and they feel like you are piercing their soul. You are talking through your eyes. So literally this person loves your eyes. You make me feel alive. Okay, so this is the reason why this person doesn't want to give up. You make them feel alive. You might be immature, but you bring this excitement and energy and fun to their life, and that is why they want to stay in this relationship and they want to make it work. So this was the reading for you. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Till next video. Bye.